Hi, I am Pranith. In this session, I am going to explain structure of a C++ program. If you see here, there are some sections which are there in C language. So, first one is document section, where we can write some text about the program. Okay, program description. Okay, so this is kept under comments. And next one is Preprocessor Directive. It is also called as link section. The statements which are starting with hash are called preprocessor directives. For example, hash include stdio.h, okay, hash define, okay, all those comes under preprocessor directive. Preprocessor means these statements are executed before compilation of the program. That's why these are called as pre. Pre means before. Okay, preprocessor. These are processed before only. Okay. So next one is global declaration. If you declare a variable or a function above the main, it is called global. Above the main, if you declare a variable, it is called global. If you declare a variable inside a main, it is called local. Okay. And next one is namespace. I will explain about this namespace when I show you an example. Okay. Next one, we have class declaration and data members, member functions, and creation of object. Okay, so these three I will explain when I explain about class and object topic. Okay, so main function already you know. Okay, so I'll show one basic example C++ program. So where to write the program and how to write and how to save the program, that we will see. Okay, so you can write the program in Turbo C, that is blue screen. Okay, or else Dev C++ software is there. Okay, Dev C++ software is there. You can write the program in the Linux operating system. Okay, so there are several editors, several options to write the program and to execute the program. So for different editors, you have different types of execution processes. Okay, so I use always Dev C++. Okay, so I'll execute the program in Dev C++ and Turbo C software, and I'll show. See here, this is the basic example program. Okay, so after writing the program, you need to save this program with the file name .cpp. Okay, so as it is a CPP program, you need to save with the .cpp, file name .cpp. Okay, so for C language programs, you will give file name .c as extension. Okay, as these programs are CPP, you need to remember always you need to save the file with the .cpp extension. Okay, and next one, document section. Okay, already I said where you can write about program description. Okay, so this comes under comments, and these comments are ignored by the compiler during the execution of the program. Okay, so this is a basic example program without using class. Okay, so class part is not there. Okay, so in order to show the class part example program, first I need to explain about class and object very clearly, so that you can understand class and object programs. Okay, so this is basic example program, and this is the preprocessor. You know already, it is a header file, and here using namespace std. Std means standard. Okay, so it is like a library. If you want to use some objects like cout, scene, okay, endl, some objects are there. So in order to use this object, you must include this using namespace std statement. Okay, so here I am using cout object. So this namespace allows us to use functions of these objects. Okay, So main function, already you know the purpose of the main. Main tells the compiler the execution must begin from here. Okay, so that is the purpose of the main. Okay, then what is a cout and what is a cin? What is cout and what is cin means? These are objects. Okay, so cout. If you see here I am printing a text in the text. Okay, so now in order to print a text, the text must be in double quotes always. Okay, in C or C++. In C, how you will print a text? We have a function called printf parenthesis text in the double quotes. Okay, so here text in the double quotes is common. Instead of parenthesis, we use insertion operator. Okay, insertion operator. What's its name? Insertion operator. Okay, so instead of printf function, we use cout. What is printf function? It is a output. It gives output function. It acts like a output function. So here cout means output function, like output function. Okay, C means console output. Console means that black screen. Output screen is called black screen. Okay, so cout is related to console part. Okay, so this is like output cout. And what about input? In C language we have scanf for input, already we know. Okay, so in C++ we have cin for scanf. For input we have cin. Okay, so what operator you must use for cin means insertion operator, sorry, extraction operator. Okay, so less than is called insertion operator that we used for cout. Okay, for cin we must use the extraction operator. See here, greater than. This is called extraction operator that we must include with cin. Okay, so for cout we must include extraction operator, less than. Okay, so this is all about the explanation of the program. Let me execute this program in Dev C++ software. First I will show this program in Turbo C3. See here, as include header file we have void main and printf. See here, the program is saved with sample.cpp. Okay, so Alt F9, one error is there. Oh, sorry. Here in CPP we need to use cout insertion operator. Okay, remove the parenthesis. Now compile it. Error free. Control F9, Alt F5. Okay, we got output as welcome to CPP. Okay, so let's move to the Dev C++ software. See here, I am compiling the program. Compile and run. See here, we got the output as hello, welcome to C++. Okay, so this is how you need to write the program in Turbo C software or Dev C++ software. If you have Linux operating system, you can write in Unix operating system. Okay, so the execution process will be different in Linux, and this is how you need to use header file in Dev C++. Okay, you should not use .h in Dev C++ software. Okay, in Turbo C you have to use .h. Okay, so what exactly is namespace? We cannot use namespaces in Turbo C software. Okay, but nowadays software industry or whatever here some educational systems almost are using this higher version. Okay, Turbo C no one is using Turbo C software. Okay, Dev C++ is using in your, okay. So namespace is not allowed in Turbo C. That's why here in this program there is no namespace. If you write namespace, it will give error. Okay, so if you are writing program in in Turbo C software, you must include iostream.h, hash include iostream.h. But if you are writing the program in Dev C++, you must not write .h, hash include iostream.h is not, you should not write. Simply write hash include iostream, that's it, and write namespace statement and follow the program same like as in Turbo C. Okay, from here you can do the same program either in Turbo C or in Dev C++. The program will be same from this part, from main function. Okay, so this is all a description about a basic C++ program, way to write the program, how to write, and how to save the program means .cpp, how to execute means the same options we have, the same options that we have in C language. In Turbo C means we have Alt F9 and Control F9. In Dev C++ means we have F9 and F10. F9 for compile and F10 for run. Okay, so if you want to run and compile at a time means F11, you can hit F11 directly. Okay, so if there are any errors in this part, in this area, the errors are displayed. Okay, in here. Okay, in Dev C++. Okay, so already you know if there are any errors when you are compiling the program in Turbo C, you will get the errors same at the below bottom. Okay, see this example program. Here we have variables. There are two variables. Okay, in the main function, one is A and one is B. Okay, so I have given values for A and B, both are integer type. So here I am writing one cout. I am doing addition program. Okay, next in the next step I have written C is equal to A plus B, int C is equal to A plus B. Okay, so here you can declare C here also, no problem. Whenever you want, you can declare the variable at any time in C++ program. Okay, so coming to the C language, you have to declare all the variables here only. Okay, whatever the variables you are using in the program, you need to declare here itself. Okay, but coming to the C++ program, whenever you need a variable, you can declare variable anywhere in the program. Okay, so see here in the middle of the program I have declared int C is equal to A plus B and addition is C. Okay, so in order to print a text, the text must be in double quotes. Okay, cout insertion operator, text must be in double quotes. Okay, and again what you want to print, you want to print the value present in the C. Okay, so again you need to write insertion operator C. Okay, clear? So I will execute and show. See here, I am doing addition program. I am doing addition program, and addition is 30. Addition is 30. Okay. So if I am not providing any space, if I am not providing any text, just to simply remember cout C. So what you got? I am doing addition program 30. What you are printing with the help of cout? You are printing C. Okay, simply C. So you got 30. If you want to print A, you can print A. But what you need to write here? You need to write A. Okay, clear? So if you want to add text, you can add text. If not, leave like that, no problem. If you want to print output, just write cout insertion operator variable, that is C. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please watch again. Please share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get new updates. Thank you.